In this video, you will be learning about maintaining your privacy in Chrome. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing their technology and digital participation. All the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Google Chrome takes great care to keep your personal information private. It offers several ways to control your privacy, including modifying your privacy settings, deleting your history, and browsing in incognito mode. Chrome allows you to control some of the information you share online, which you can modify in your privacy settings. We recommend that you do not change Chrome's default selections, as they allow for the best balance of privacy and security while browsing. However, you can modify them if you choose. To modify privacy settings, first, click the Chrome menu in the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings. The Settings tab will appear. Locate and select Show Advanced Settings. The privacy settings will appear. To modify basic privacy settings, like enabling malware protection, check or uncheck the boxes next to each option. To modify specific settings, like when web pages can save cookies or access your location, click the Content Settings button. Now that you've learned about maintaining your privacy in Chrome, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you like this video, please like, share it, and subscribe to our channel. What would you like to learn next? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.